you're having a great day. Today, we are going to make an interesting paper flying dragon. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. Rah! Materials needed. Let's check it out. We need glue or glue gun. We need markers if needed. 2 construction paper. And a ruler. Scissors. A long piece of string. Popsicle sticks. A googly eye, or you can draw it with a marker. Now, let's dive into our fun parts. We need 1 construction paper of any color of your choice, and let's use a ruler and pen or pencil to measure the size of paper we need. Let's measure the paper's length. Let's take our ruler and measure 12 centimeters out of 12 centimeters. Now I have drawn a square. Now let's cut it out with our scissors and do it slowly so you don't mess it up. Make sure to cut. I have cut the square like this. Now let's use our glue gun and glue one edge of our square paper. After we've done that, let's take the other edge and fold it right in there, like this. Glue it to the part where we have glued the glue gun. Now I have drawn the cylinder like this. Now let's take our scissors and cut just a little part so we just have a little piece. Just cut just a little. Now let's keep this aside and take the other piece and put it aside as well. Let's make a same one just like this one but bigger. Now I have made 2 cylinders, one longer and one smaller. Now let's keep them aside for now and take our blue paper from earlier and cut it just one side, just a little touch of it. After we have cut that piece, let's fold it like this. Now let's take our pen or pencil and draw some zigzag lines so they look like pointy. Now I have done that. Now let's take our scissors and cut the line we have done the zigzag. After cutting the zigzag, now let's open it up. Now we have a big piece like this. We also have a little extra piece right in the bottom of it. So let's fold it upwards. Just a little folding. Now, after we have folded it, let's make the same size of strip in our yellow paper. But we don't cut it. Just cut a little strip, smaller than the other one. Now, let's use our glue gun and just glue the piece that we have just folded and put some glue on top of it. After I put the glue on it, let's glue it on our yellow piece of paper. After you have glued it, now let's glue it on our 2 cylinders from earlier. After sticking the spikes like this onto on our dragon's body, now let's take it aside and do the wings of the body. Let's take our yellow paper and draw like a rectangular piece right on the bottom. with our pen or pencil. Just a little bit, not that long. Now let's cut it out. Don't have to be perfect because we're going to cut that piece out as well. Now let's draw a small piece of wings. Let's draw it. Now I have drawn the wings. Now let's cut it out and fold it and cut it out. Now I have cut the wings of the dragon. Now let's stick it onto our dragon's body. Right here. Let's take our glue gun and go just a little touch. Just a little. Okay. Now let's take our wings from earlier and do it like this. Do the same with the other side. Now our dragon has some wings. Let's draw some eyes, or we can stick some googly eyes on top. Now you have some googly eyes. Now let's stick it on one side of our dragon. Let's take the glue gun and just glue one part of the dragon. Just a little bit. Now let's glue our googly eye on top of where we put the glue gun. Stick it nice and tight. Now let's take our pen and draw a mouth. Like this. That's cute. Now let's make some ears for our dragon. Let's draw them out in our blue piece of construction paper. Let's just draw a triangular piece. Now let's cut it out. Let's cut both of them out. Now we have two triangular pieces like this. Now let's glue them right beside our dragon's ears. Now we have to stick some ears for our dragon. Now let's stick some legs for our dragon. Let's draw some feet for our dragon. Let's take our pen and draw some feet for our dragon with the yellow paper or blue paper. I'm going to choose yellow paper. Now, let's fold that paper in half. Let's put only one part of the paper. Now let's fold that part like that. Now let's cut the outlined feet of our dragon. It doesn't have to be perfect, just is. I have cut the feet like this. Let's cut it 3 more times so we have 4 feet in total. Let's keep them aside. Then let's work with our string. 5 inches of string is enough. Now I have cut the string like this. I have 4 strings and in 5 inches. Let's take one string and take the other ones aside. Let's take one feet that we cut it in the yellow construction paper and then glue one edge of the string right on the middle of the feet with our glue gun. Just a little touch. And now let's take the string and just go with just a touch. Now we have a feet. Let's do the same with the other strings and feet. Now I have stick the feet on the dragon's body. Now the final step is to stick a string right on top of the dragon's body. Now let's take the stick and the string to attach to the body of the dragon's head and the body. Now let's use a string and stick the first one. Now let's take one end of the string and tie it a knot around the stick's edge. Like so. Like that. Do a knot 2 times. Like so. After you have done that, now let's cut just a little piece of string off. Like that. After you have, now let's take the other end to the dragon's head. With a glue gun. Let's take out the glue and then just glue a little top piece on his head. Now let's stick the string to the head. Just put a little more glue on top. Do the same with the dragon's body. Now our dragon's ready to fly. Woo! Now our dragon's ready to fly. I hope you like my dragon. I hope you had fun today.